cloud that was like a tornado. If it was, it's gone now. I mean, it's still there, but it's not.
It's not defined.
Oh, that's cool. It looks like a bat.
Wow.
See, it looks like the phoenix wings. Kind of. Are you seeing
Imagine
this?
how much friction is
Well,
there.
yeah, I'm looking right at it. I think I'm seeing it. Or it's lightning cloud to cloud, lightning right above us, too.
Yeah. I want to see it spider again. That'd be sweet. Just jumping all over up there.
That's amazing.
Oh,
Those neighbors across the street think we're insane because we're constantly out there. Ooh,
Ooh, that was
that
awesome.
was neat.
I'm pretty sure I got that
That
one.
was a looping one. It didn't quite make it to the ground.
Yeah. Looks like it went, no, I don't want to do that. Too much work.
kind of like a
More
bat.
attractive up here in the clouds.
Yep. That is just nuts.
Cool.
Constant lightning bolts.
Yeah, it's just amazing.
I get stung with
Too bad we don't have a video camera. That was
A really good one.
Oh, I have. Mom, where's your camera?
No, Mom's probably isn't even as good as mine. The video part anyways, the pictures are better.
Yeah, I've never gotten a video to work.
Oh, that's easy.
That is just insane.
Are you getting it?
Yeah, I'm getting it.
You might want to let Mom do that, because Mom can actually hold the camera still. You're too jumpy. If you want to, you can come over here and
Yeah.
How long did you get to record?
2 hours.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I suppose with that memory card in there, you have a lot more memory.
Oh. The only problem is I can see the water droplets in the window.
Come over here there and then